Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to save money fast. Money is a necessity in order to make it through in this globe. Without money, individuals wouldn't be able to live. They would be not able to get food to cook, purchase a cooktop to prepare it on, or even a pot to prepare it in. This is why every person such as is to save money. It does not matter how much or how little cash they make. Even if a person makes millions a year, they still intend to save as long as feasible also, if they are wise. Money can be spent quickly, so everybody has to go shopping frugally and save wisely. There are many means to attain this, also. If an individual makes a decision to start a savings account, yet has a modest income, they shouldn't come to be discouraged, since it is feasible for them to build fairly a savings. All it takes is a little bit of self-control. Each time an individual earns money, they require to take a defined amount of cash out of their pay and also immediately put it in the bank. This can even be accomplished by having the money automatically transferred from checking to a savings account often. This makes it less complicated to withstand utilizing the money for various other points besides conserving. They will have a substantial amount of cash saved up prior to they recognize it if a person sticks to this plan. They can then go out and buy that costly product that they thought they could never afford, or keep it for retirement, college fund for children, etc. In order to save money while shopping, consumers require to check their regional sales papers, which merchants generally send by mail weekly or two. If sales documents aren't offered, after that most thing likely to the seller's website is the following point to do. Usually, it will present which products are presently for sale on the website. This remarkable new site offers important money-saving coupons in almost every group possible. Bags, fragrances, publications, music, videos, and so on are just a few of the items that have promo codes available for them. The excellent website is very easy to navigate, and also there are numerous promo codes readily available in each category. If you desire to save money on your last-minute Christmas buying, please go to this website as soon as possible, and you will not regret it. Thanks for watching. If you felt our video was helpful, please subscribe and like this. See you next video.